Dreamers, we're at Disney's Contemporary Resort. So literally we just left Disney's Polynesian Village Resort and saw the brand new Moana rooms. Now we're over at Disney's Contemporary Resort to see
the Incredibles room.
Incredibles! We are in the brand new Incredibles rooms.
Wow, that looks cool.
What?
Very sleek and modern.
I like, well, yeah.
I might even say contemporary.
Oh, and look at the view.
Lake view.
We overlook Bay Lake.
And we have a balcony.
We do have a balcony. So we are up in the tower. And then look at that amazing view of the pool and Bay Lake. Oh my gosh, look at these.
Oh yeah.
Look! Dash Dash! Or Dash Dash. Elastigirl? Dash? Wait, no.
No, that's Violet.
Is that Violet? Oh yeah,
Yeah,
long
it's
hair
Violet,
Violet.
long hair.
Mr. Incredible.
Yes.
Jack Jack!
Dash is over here.
There's Dash.
Dash, dash, Jack.
Dash Dash, yeah, yeah. Oh, and look at the masks on the wall. That's
I
cool.
love the Frozone pillow.
Oh yeah. So you're a huge Incredibles. Like that's your favorite movie. What do you think of this?
It's like the unsung hero.
Yeah, I would agree.
It's cool, but because it's contemporary, I know it's very subtle and contemporary design. Personally, I'd like to see the Incredibles. I mean, they're Incredibles.
Oh, you want it like
the
in your
subtle-
face.
Yeah.
Oh, I gotcha. I gotcha. But look at that. I like it. So there's that one. And there's Edna on the side.
Edna Mode.
Edna! I like it. And I love, this is completely like cheesy and not really incredible like, but I love that all the renovations have space that you can basically put your suitcases under the bed. So it's like really, really smart.
Like on the Disney cruise ships.
Yeah, exactly. I'm liking it. So Kelly, where are you gonna sleep? Oh, I guess you get a bed this time. You take an Edna, so we get Frozen.
I'll take it.
And then of course we have the couch. So it's a big couch too. Like this couch is like mind blowing.
Couch and an office.
Yeah.
So you got the couch, and then right next to the little table where you can set up your computer, do
Yep.
some work.
Is that where you're gonna be working, Kelly, right there?
Nah.
Gaming, working. Yeah, this is pretty cool. And then it has a nice, ooh, look at the coffee maker. A nice Keurig coffee maker. And I'm assuming in here, oh yeah, there's all the stuff. Cool. And the drinks at the top. And then the closet, which I'm sure has our normal stuff in it. No, it does not.
Oh, it's the Incredibles clothes in our closet.
That's so awesome. Look at that. Oh, and the boots.
That is super cool.
Let's go.
Oh, that's really funny. Oh, and masks. Yeah, Cal, look at that. Masks on the top. So storage.
That is super cool.
I like that. That's pretty cool.
See, that's a little more Incredibles in your face.
Yes, I like that. I like that. Very cool. You know, we kind of went through the room real quick, but you know, we got to do that full room tour. So,
Take it away, Tim.
Tim, take it away. It's room tour time. are taking the walking path from Disney's Contemporary to Magic Kingdom. That's actually one of the reasons why we love that hotel. It's just a quick walk to Magic Kingdom and back. It's awesome. What are we doing at Magic Kingdom?
Haunted Mansion.
Haunted Mansion, Thunder Mountain, probably Mine Train, and lots of desserts. I think we need to load up on snacks today. Everything bad for us. Yeah, one of everything. No? Head down to the Concourse, which you can probably hear it. It's right over there. You can actually see the monorail going through right now. That is one of the coolest things about Disney's Contemporary Resort. The monorail goes like literally right through the hotel. So I'm in the hallway outside my room and you can see the monorail go right by. It is the coolest. And if you go down to the Concourse area, they have shopping, they have a little a little quick service location, they have Chef Mickey's, which is a character dining. So there is so much to do on the Concourse. And again, you can watch the monorail just go by. We're gonna head down to the quick service location called Contempo Cafe, and we're gonna grab a bite to eat and probably hang out and watch the monorail go by. So that one is what? Which one is that one? Pirates?
That'd be Series 2.
That must be Pirates. Oh yeah, Series 2 is Pirates. Let me see. Yeah.
Yeah, 2. It says right there.
Pirates.
It just says Series 2.
Oh,
so I'm guessing you find it all over the place.
Yep. So they have each one. And it looks like they have the purses too. I am just sitting on the balcony enjoying the view. You can hear the kids down below having a lot of fun at the pool. But I'm having a lot of fun up here just relaxing, watching the boats go by. It's just a really nice view up here in the tower. But I wanted to make sure that you guys got to see a little bit more of the resort. There is so much new here at Disney's Contemporary Resort. The lobby is new, the hallways, of course the rooms. There's even a brand new steakhouse called Steakhouse 71 that serves breakfast and dinner. I'm hoping that tomorrow we'll get to go to breakfast there. So there's a lot of new areas here at Disney's Contemporary Resort. So I wanted to kind of wander around the resort a little bit with you guys so you can see all the beautiful new renovations here at the resort. So I'm probably gonna sit just a few more minutes and then we're gonna go. Soaking up all the fun energy here. we are all packing up and unfortunately checking out again. We had another amazing stay here at Disney World, this time in these brand new, awesome, epic, amazing, wonderful, Incredibles, incredible, Incredibles room. So great experience. Had a lot of fun with Tim and Kelly. Definitely missed Hunter, but she'll be with us on our next adventure. All right, guys are out. Time to do the walk around dance and head home to see Hunter and Ranger. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Keep on dreaming and we'll see you next time. Bye. Love you all.